goals went out.
Just listen to that.
Ball.
Day. Immediately Dawan finds the gap.
Yeah, he's just eyed that area, fine up in the circle. That's been this close. Where was?
And so whether they take it on, whether they risk it.
Cricketer.
Loves the slog sweep.
He's become today.
Dragged down and pumped down the ground. I said something's got to give, and it may well be a wicket.
Let's pass on my knowledge to.
High and handsome as well. Once again goes the distance. Takes it on the full, wide of the field. Again, look to play that. Well, he's certainly enjoying. Sompal Kami goes deep in the crease over mid-wicket. Slower delivery. Has he found the field and moving in the crease. That's in the gap as well.
Slapped down the ground. Oh, what a stroke. That for me. This one steered away very nicely, and it's going to be forward. Oh, what a stroke that is. That's good. And they're loving this now too. Oh yes. This is where you hit. Oh, glorious. Absolutely glorious that is. On contract.
Picks it early. That's a lovely hit. Oh, it's the leg spinner. This one's over covers. And oh, he's gone high on this one. Got a lot of height. And he's found the field.
Helped away. Oh, very stylish again. Inside out over. Oh, drag down. Help yourself. Cash in. But he just drags a few down. And Malantha into the slot and out of the ground.
Oh, that's a good.
There is a lot of protection out there.
You said it, HD. Around Kathmandu. Oh, that's gone the distance. He's drilled.
Long on. That's more like it. Has he got it? Has he got it? No.